This is my beautiful wife. I love her too much. Huh?
Curve. Tapos, yung saluyot. Apura ang pamimili at kunting nabili sa init na panahon. Super bonggang init ng haring araw. Maglalabas nga ako ng isang karton, 1 kilong chicken. I-defrost natin at ating lulutuin for today. Yummy, yum, yum. Dagdagan natin ng konting tubig. Okay na yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng rice.
One eternity later.
Ang bigat sa lalamunan, ang lipstick na ito. Yung bang hindi ka sanay, tapos ganon ka ng ganon. Ayan, nakadalawang beses na ako paglalagay ng ating lipstick. So, dapat umalis na tayo. Tapos sa init ng panahon, guys, yung bang dapat 10 minutes before ka aalis, gagayak ka na. Dahil plak ang pakiramdam. Okay, ayos na. Years later.
Ya haram, I pity. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, she cut it. She cut it, my god. Don't show me. I feel pity for them.
And then look at the bag here.
This is a small garden of my wife, my god.
And here is
You see?
a little
This is
part.
the economic lady that she saved on her husband. You see? She plant here, she pass here her time, and she eat from here. Look here. My god. I don't want to eat this haram.
I'm going to sit there, baby.
And this, my beautiful ampalaya, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. This is my ampalaya. This is my baby. You see? You see my baby? There is one hiding inside. not to see her, so not to be eaten. You see? This my ampalaya is spreading. My God, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you from all my heart. And this, my beautiful lady. This is my beautiful wife. I love her too much. Huh?
Curve. This that they are not straight. This the ampalaya that they are not.
This one, you see, she's going up to the sky. This one
also.
not to be eaten. She don't want to be eaten. This one. She's saying, no, I'm afraid not to be eaten. My God. This is my wife. That I love her too much.
At ang ating labuyo. At meron tayong ano dito, sitaw. Okay. Sitaw, isang sitaw. Tapos meron pang dalawa doon. Okay. Okay, dalawang sitaw. Tatlong sitaw. Okay. Super init ng panahon. Nakarami tayo. Magmumunggo tayo sa mainit na panahon. This, you can see, this is kamote.
Kamote, nice kamote.
It's sweet potato.
You eat the leaves? What you do here? How it's plant this?
It's experiment.
Inside
this one.
You don't put the water?
No, I should. Just I'll cut this one. Hey, nice. The more you cut.
So you'll have nice food today. This is another is har?
This one.
Har, this one.
This spicy. Spicy.
That's good. Good.
Spicy har. Hold it.
Wow. Look, my wife, she will eat all this. Your son is calling.
Me?
Lucky. Look. You can hear? If he don't see you, he get crazy. This.
Lucky!
He will climb here.
Look, it's having flower now.
Don't shake it. Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Look,
Basal.
look how. Look at this also. This is bakyo. Okay, that's it.
Finish?
Hold it. Look, put the video.
You see all this. My wife will eat.
And this is the one that we dry yesterday. Look at this.
Now watch out, Lucky not to eat it.
No. Look.
Lucky is our cat and our son also.
Yeah, it's dry already.
You see, it's the first time human they bring cat.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, that's hot. We can go inside.
Kamote. At ang ating, ba't madilim? Why it's too dark? At ang ating alugbati. Marami siya, oh. Marami. Ang food natin today ay nagluto ako ng saluyot. So, bukas ko ito iluluto. Ang ating kamatis. Marami pa. Ayan. Nakarami tayo. Nakalimutan ko palang naglabas ako dito. Sabi ko igagawa ko ng pizza si Bunso. Nakalimutan ko. Kumain na siya ng saluyot. Andun yung ating tatay. Kumakain din ng saluyot. Aray ko. I will return it back. Tapos, yung saluyot. Mapagkain. You don't want to put rice? You don't want to put rice? There is still. Okay. Wala na daw rice. Kinain ng mga bata. Kumakain lang sila ng saluyot without rice. Yan yung saluyot. Hindi kita. Ang init. Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta sa init ng panahon? So, yun na yun. I think hindi na natin dudugtungan dahil medyo mahaba-haba na. So, bukas ulit ang natitirang ganap dito sa syudad. Ako'y very happy dito sa bukas ko ito lulutuin dahil gulay yung pagkain natin today at saka mainit siya. Legally dito ang saluyot ay masarap po pag winter, pero nag-request sila ng saluyot, so yun na yun. At ito naman, ito para lang sa akin bukas, munggo siguro or something na may isda, yung ganun ba. Ay, mayroon pa tayong ulo ng salmon dyan, pwede, ulo ng salmon.